Have we ever looked up at the night sky, filled with countless stars, and wondered if we are truly alone? This age-old question takes on a new dimension when we consider the possibility that extraterrestrial life might have played a role in our own existence. One intriguing theory suggests that aliens, perhaps ancient astronauts visiting Earth eons ago, might have influenced the very blueprint of life as we know it, our DNA. This idea, while seemingly rooted in science fiction, has captured the imaginations of scientists, researchers, and the public alike. It proposes that extraterrestrial beings, far more advanced than ourselves, could have possessed the technology and knowledge to manipulate genetic codes, potentially jump-starting or altering the course of human evolution. While this theory might sound like the plot of a blockbuster film, it raises profound questions about our place in the cosmos and the very origins of humanity. Could it be that our seemingly unique human characteristics, from our intelligence and capacity for language to our complex emotions and self-awareness, are the result of extraterrestrial intervention? Or is this theory merely a product of our fascination with the unknown, lacking the scientific rigor to warrant serious consideration? In the following sections, we will delve into the arguments and evidence surrounding this captivating theory, exploring both its intriguing possibilities and the scientific scrutiny it faces. The theory of extraterrestrial involvement in human DNA is often linked to the idea of ancient astronauts. Proponents of this idea, such as Erich von Däniken and Zecharia Sitchin, have interpreted ancient texts, myths, and archaeological sites as evidence of extraterrestrial beings visiting Earth in the distant past. According to these interpretations, these ancient astronauts, possessing advanced technology far beyond the capabilities of early humans, might have been perceived as gods or celestial beings. They suggest that these extraterrestrial visitors interacted with our ancestors, sharing knowledge and potentially even manipulating human DNA to accelerate our evolution or guide us along a specific path. One of the central pieces of evidence often cited in support of this theory is the sudden leap in human brain size and cognitive abilities that occurred roughly 200,000 years ago. This rapid evolutionary development, some argue, is difficult to explain through the gradual process of natural selection alone. Could this sudden burst in brain power, which ultimately set us on the path to becoming the dominant species on Earth, be the result of extraterrestrial intervention? While the idea of ancient astronauts as genetic engineers might seem like a compelling narrative, it's important to note that these interpretations of ancient texts and archaeological evidence are highly speculative. Mainstream archaeology and history generally do not support these claims, attributing such interpretations to misinterpretations or overactive imaginations. Nevertheless, the enduring allure of these theories underscores our fascination with the possibility of extraterrestrial contact and its potential implications for human history. The fossil record, while providing invaluable insights into our evolutionary past, is incomplete, with gaps and missing links that make it difficult to construct a definitive picture of human evolution. These gaps, some argue, could potentially be explained by extraterrestrial intervention. Could it be that these missing pieces in our evolutionary puzzle are the result of genetic manipulation by advanced alien species? For example, the sudden appearance of certain traits, like our large brains or our capacity for complex language, might be interpreted as evidence of external influence. Proponents of this theory suggest that these seemingly abrupt evolutionary leaps could be explained by extraterrestrial beings introducing new genetic material into the human lineage. Furthermore, the theory of directed panspermia proposes that life on Earth itself might have been seeded by extraterrestrial beings. This theory suggests that microorganisms, or even the building blocks of life, could have been deliberately transported to Earth by advanced alien civilizations, either intentionally or accidentally. Could our entire existence be the result of a cosmic experiment or a deliberate act of galactic gardening? While these ideas are intriguing, they remain highly speculative. The gaps in the fossil record are not necessarily evidence of extraterrestrial intervention. They could simply reflect the inherent limitations of fossilization and the challenges of finding and interpreting ancient remains. Evolutionary biologists have proposed plausible explanations for many of these seemingly abrupt changes, attributing them to factors like environmental pressures, genetic mutations, and natural selection. Section 4. The Scientific Perspective: Decoding Our DNA. With the advent of modern genetics, scientists have gained an unprecedented ability to unravel the mysteries encoded within our DNA. By comparing our genetic makeup to that of other species, we can trace our evolutionary lineage, identify common ancestors, and gain insights into the forces that shaped our species. So far, however, there is no conclusive scientific evidence to support the theory of extraterrestrial manipulation of human DNA. Genetic studies have consistently shown that humans share a common ancestor with primates, with our DNA closely resembling that of chimpanzees and gorillas. The evolutionary relationships between humans and other primates are well established, with no indication of any abrupt genetic insertions or modifications that would suggest external manipulation. While it's true that our understanding of genetics is still evolving, and there may be aspects of our DNA that we don't yet fully comprehend, the vast body of scientific evidence points to a natural evolutionary process. The lack of any concrete genetic evidence for extraterrestrial manipulation makes it difficult to support the theory from a scientific perspective. Furthermore, the complexity of DNA and the intricate web of interactions between genes make it highly unlikely that an external agent could simply insert new traits or characteristics. Genetic manipulation is a delicate and nuanced process, and any significant alterations to our DNA would likely have far-reaching and unpredictable consequences. Section 5. Unraveling our past, shaping our future. The theory of extraterrestrial intervention in human DNA, while lacking conclusive scientific support, raises profound questions about our place in the universe and the nature of intelligence. Even if this theory proves to be unfounded, it compels us to confront the possibility that we are not alone in the cosmos and to consider the potential implications of encountering other intelligent life forms. If extraterrestrial beings did play a role in our evolution, it would fundamentally alter our understanding of human history, culture, and even our sense of identity. It would challenge our assumptions about our uniqueness and force us to reevaluate our place in the grand scheme of the universe. Moreover, it would raise ethical and philosophical questions about the nature of free will, destiny, and the responsibility we have towards other intelligent beings. Would we be beholden to our extraterrestrial creators? Or would we chart our own course as a species? How would we reconcile our beliefs and values with the knowledge that our very existence might be the result of extraterrestrial design? These are not just abstract philosophical inquiries. They have practical implications for how we approach space exploration, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, and our interactions with any alien civilizations we might encounter in the future. Section 6. The universe beckons, a quest for understanding. The theory of extraterrestrial DNA manipulation, while speculative, serves as a potent reminder of the vastness of the universe and the mysteries it still holds. Whether or not this particular theory proves to be true, the quest to understand our origins and our place in the cosmos is a fundamental human endeavor. As we continue to explore the universe, unravel the secrets of our own DNA, and search for signs of extraterrestrial life, we must remain open to new possibilities while adhering to the principles of scientific rigor. The universe is full of wonders, and the answers we seek may be far stranger and more awe-inspiring than we can imagine. The search for truth, whether it leads us to confirmation of our current understanding or to radical new paradigms, is a journey worth undertaking. In the words of the late Carl Sagan, the cosmos is within us. We are made of star stuff. We are a way for the universe to know itself. Let us continue to explore, to question, and to marvel at the wonders of the universe we inhabit.